In this video, let's just go through the full overview of Planet Fitness Workouts app, Workouts for Everyone. This app is constantly in the top charts. So as you can see, #1 app in health and fitness. And there are recently some updates where you can register for high school summer pass. So anyways, this is the app kind of like a gym in your pocket. There is a network of clubs, Planet Fitness clubs, where you can register with this app and add your gym in the app. I will show you how to do it. And then you can also upgrade through the app. And then you can check out all awesome features like premium workout content in the app, live streams, hundreds of exercises which you can do at home or in club, equipment tutorials, progress tracking in and out of the gym, and all of that. And then, like, if you join one of their clubs, there is like crowd meter, so you can see exactly when there are a lot of people in the club or less people. Then you can always check out some new workouts and some new fitness content, some new exclusive trainers from beginner to advanced. There is a workout for everyone. Then there is like perks, so exclusive club of perks, Planet Fitness partnerships that are included in your membership. Daily live stream and premium workout content with Planet Fitness trainers and exclusive iFit trainers. Then there are like equipment tutorials, workout tracking, so you can track your activity and watch those minutes and good vibes add up. So basically also there is like digital key tag, so you can use this app to check in the clubs, and all of this is connected to Apple Health app as well. So this is basically a very like high level overview. So let's just open the app here. And this is how it looks like. So you just create your account and then you add your personal information. You add your photos, your details. So here is your account. You can then set up what's your personal target and then just update that. Then you can select what's your fitness level, and then you can get some personalized suggestions. So all of this information you add up when you create an account, so you can get more personalized trainings like height and weight, activity history, and all of that. Then your club, you can find a club, so you can search by somewhere here, so you can find specific Planet Fitness clubs, like fitness clubs. You can see crowd meter, so that's what they explained in the app description. You can see club hours, and then you can see some amenities. Like you can see that you can access with this app, free Wi-Fi. There is like bring a guest anytime, use of hydro massage, use of tanning. And then there are like perks for specific items. So here's, for example, you can see that you can see all the clubs, and then if you want to, you can link your gym membership here. So basically, you need to go to your local club and sign up for a gym membership, old school way, as you have done in probably a lot of times. In the past, but you just create your gym membership and then you can add it in the app. You can just scan your key tag there, or you can enter key tag code manually and then just add it via barcode, birth year, and the postal code. So that's how you can link your gym membership. You can also just join now, like if you're a club member, and then you just can link membership again here. If you're not a club member yet, you just can decide where you want to join the club, and then you can just join the club from here. Okay, probably not the best location. So for example here, and then I can just apply and sign up for the club from here. Unlimited access to your home club, all the perks, or just depends. So you can see the details and basically upgrade to here. Unlimited access to home club, PF mobile app, free fitness training, free Wi-Fi. But this is just like a very classic subscription, very low end. So you can't bring your guest, you can't use hydro massage, you can't use tanning, and you can't get all of these perks. And then there is like startup fee, and then there is annual fee, and that's basically what it is. So that's how you can start a membership here in the app. You can see directions, you can enter promo code. Maybe you have a promo code and it can actually help you out. Yeah, so here you can also use Planet Fitness digital membership, so you can just do that, and from your home you can follow all the workouts which are here in the app, or you can just do both, and it just depends on the. So yeah, you can also just skip for now. There is like a virtual tour of the app. You can track your activities. You can add like all these track fitness activities and you can try it out. You can also see all the perks available for the PF Plus membership. You can see all the workouts. So that's like pretty cool. You can see all these virtual workouts. It's basically like a YouTube for gym workouts, which you can access in the app. Some of them are free, some of them require membership. Then there is like a Black Card. Black Card Guest is an exclusive feature for Black Card members. So that's what you can do. Yeah, what else? And then you can just refer people here. So refer a friend is an exclusive feature for our club members. Don't worry, you can access when you join the subscription. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. If you have any other questions, you can always reach out to app technical support, depending where you're using the app, either on iPhone or Android. There is a request type. For example, if you want to delete your account, you can just try to do it here. But if you want to cancel your subscription, you want to cancel a gym membership, as far as I understood from their FAQ section, it's not possible to do via app, so you need to go to your club and cancel your subscription there. So that's just a bit annoying. Then there is like some virtual. Okay, so this is just like an overview of the app, so you can get some idea, some other help. Yeah, so that's basically the app. You can link also your Apple Health, like all your wearables, like Apple Watch or some other smartwatch devices. And this is, in a nutshell, this is how the app looks like. Of course, like this app is popular because of the large network of these gym clubs, and then you combine it with a digital experience, and then it's kind of really fun. So interesting app, definitely give it a try. Check out Planet Fitness memberships, and then there are always some kinds of offers. As for example, this summer teens ages 14-19 can work out for free from May 16 to August 31. Plus participants will be entered to win a $5,000 scholarship. So that's also interesting. So that's basically that. Let's just also go through some of the ratings. There are quite a few ratings, but the average rating is not that far. The ability to add the exercises one engages in. So there are some issues with adding an activity to specific exercises. And this app was here for a while and is getting more and more users. And some people are quite disappointed. The app doesn't allow to track some of the activities. It's discouraging to look at the activity tracking. The app no longer works if it doesn't time out. It loads for another 5 screen. So yeah, some people are and complaining about like canceling memberships. This is like, yeah, this is a bit annoying because you can't do it from the app. You need to go to the gym location and then you need to go to the exact gym location where you started your membership. So not just if you moved. I don't know how it works. So yeah, app needs refining. App won't even open. So there are a few bugs here and there. But anyhow, this is the official app for this gyms network. So if you want to use them in full capacity, there is no alternative yet. So yep, this is the app. Thank you for watching.